I had a video where I talked about differences between an SCI and a polygraph test, and somebody's question was, do you have to get a polygraph test to get an SCI? And my answer was no, you don't. I've had a SCI, top secret SCI clearance before, and all it is a different way of handling top secret information. Then I tried to answer the polygraph one, and I said I don't know nothing about polygraph. I've never had one. I've got friends that had one. I don't know why they give them, and I have not had a job that required a polygraph test. But Mr. Johnson says, so there are two types of polygraph. He says most people get the CI polygraph, which means counterintelligence. Basically, they want to know if you've ever thought about attempting bad things against the government. That's counterintelligence. Then the second one is a scope polygraph, sometimes referred to as a lifestyle polygraph, a lifestyle poly. It's more of a character type exam. Either way, no, you don't need one for SCI. Thank you so much, Mr. Johnson, for that, for correcting us or giving us more data, more information. That I did not know that, but that's great information. So you got two types of polygraphs. One's for counterintelligence. One is the lifestyle full scope poly, and that's the one that somebody told me about. That sounds insane to me. Either way, you do not need any kind of polygraph to have an SCI. They're kind of separate things. So hope that answers you guys' question. Just kind of a short little video there to explain that, what's going on.